Hi, I'm Paul. I'm one of the co-convenors for the Brisbane ASM 2024.
And I'm Sarah, the other co-convener for Brisbane 2024.
So Sarah, I was going to ask you, this year there's been some changes with, or some, I suppose, exciting changes with the emergency response activities.
Yes, we really wanted to give you guys what you wanted, and we feel a big part of that was getting your emergency response signed off, especially as it's now an annual program, so it's really important you can get everything at the ASM that you need for your CPD in one trip. So we're doing a massive KICO. It's going to be the biggest KICO ever. We may see if we can get the Guinness Book of Records along to get us in their annals. I think it's going to be excellent. It's going to be a real opportunity to come and get your emergency response code there.
Yeah, fantastic, because most of the time when I go to these conferences, they're all booked out by the time I go to register for one of the airway
Even if you get the
workshops.
early bird, you've already missed the boat.